But this is bigger pala than we thought, ano?
Oh, yes.
So,
And if you were the lawyer, Attorney Trixie, ikaw, abogada ka, what would you advise Congressman Saldico?
well, yeah, if I was his lawyer. Well, kung ngayon na nasa labas siya, I don't know. Actually, it depends eh. Kung ano yung hamon ng kasaysayan, depende rin yan kung ano nangyayari. For example, what if it's a temperature ng publiko? Sino naniniwala ba that it ends with Saldico?
That's
Do you
right.
honestly think that it ends there? It couldn't have happened without the knowledge of higher ups. Ilan lang ang higher up?
Tama.
Also,
And you know, Attorney Trixie, may isa tayong case dati na nangyari. If you recall si General Garcia
correct.
sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Nahuli yung pamilya niya, inuwi siya dito, nagkaroon ng investigation. Alam mo nangyari doon? Nagkaroon siya ng plea bargain. Inamin niya.
Yeah.
Siya talaga. Siya yung mastermind, kinulong siya, nagsoli siya, if I'm not mistaken, 200 million pesos. Pero yung pamilya na were allowed to live in the United States. Wala na dito eh. So siya hanggang ngayon nakakulong sa Bilibid prisons. Now, in the case of Saldi,
Nakalabas na yata.
yes, he was issued a pardon if I'm not mistaken. No? At the time, nakakulong siya. Now, in the case of Saldi, siyempre, kung siya yung abogado, ang tinitingnan na abogado, ano ba yung kliyente ko? Mastermind ba to? O ito ay kasangkapan lang or one of the players, underboss, kumbaga sa mafia, hindi pa siya yung boss of the boss, doon sa kabuuang operation na ginagawa nila sa pagkulimbat ng pera at kaba ng bayan.